Scram the Skunk. A black and white animal scurried by, said Pen Hen. I think it might be a goose. I saw it too, said Big Pig. Perhaps it's a cat. Something is rustling in the bush, said Nat the cat. Let me take a look. That's no cat, said Nat. Could it be a rabbit? Oh my, said Pen Hen. You don't think it could be a skunk? It walks like a skunk, said Tug. It has black and white stripes like a skunk. It has a fat bushy tail like a skunk, said Big Pig. Here it comes, look out! Hello, I'm Scram the Skunk. The black and white animal said, I'd love to play with you. Is your name really Scram? Asked Pen Hen. That is a strange name. Yes, everyone says Scram when they see me, said the skunk. I just want to be friends. Sure, we will be your friends, said Big Pig. Just don't spray us, please. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.